Hello, and thanks for joining us as we continue to look at the principles of easy worship. In our last video, we looked at how we can create and edit a song. And if you missed that one, there's a link to it in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. But in today's video, we're going to see how we can create, edit, and set a default theme within the software. So let's jump in and get right to it. So here we are back at the Easy Worship interface, and when we're creating a theme, the first thing we want to do is have a default image or video background set. So to do that, the first thing we want to do is click Media, and because we're going to use a video for this, we're going to stick in the video one, but if you wanted to add an image, it would be the exact same process. But for this video, we're going to go ahead and select the purple cross video, so we're going to right click, so highlight copy the theme, and then select Song Theme. And then when we jump on over here into the Themes tab, we'll see that we have the Purple Cross theme right here. Now, because this is a brand new theme, there's been no editing done to it or anything like that, we probably want to reposition the text, maybe change the size of the font, maybe even change the font itself, and do some other things. So let's jump right in and see how we can edit this theme. So the first thing we're going to do is right click, Edit Song Theme, and that's going to bring up our theme editor. Now, the very first thing that jumps out to me in this is that the text is overlapping with the cross, so we probably want to adjust that. So to do that, we're going to click on this text box and reposition the text so that the edge of the text box is actually lined up with the edge of the cross, just like that. And then down here you can see that we have the copyright box, which you're more than welcome to keep in, but because we have the copyright information in our bulletins and we have it in our video description on our YouTube live stream, we don't need to have that, so we're just going to go ahead and hit the delete key and get rid of that. Now, right now, the font size is set to auto size. We like to have it at 70, so to change that, you'll just click auto, do not auto size, and set the font size to whatever size you desire. So we'll change it to 70, and then you can also change the font color, but for this video background it's probably best to keep it white so it's very easy to read. And then we can take the bold away, we can italicize it, we can underline it, we can take the shadow away, and also remove the text outline. But I'm actually going to re-add the bold back in and add the shadow in the outline. Now we can also change the position of the text to be on the left side or the right side, or keep it in the middle as is. And if we wanted to, we could move it to the top of the text box, to the bottom of the text box, or again, just keep it in the middle, as you can see. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all the editing that I think needs to be done to this theme. But the last thing we want to do is give it a name. And so since this is going to be our default video background theme, I'm just going to call it that. Default video background theme. And there you have it. So now we'll go ahead and click OK. And you can see that the name of the theme has changed. You can see that the change is stuck. So now we want to go apply it to a song. Well, in a previous video, we created a song called Shout to the Lord. So let's go apply it to that one. So we'll hop on over to the Songs tab. We'll do a quick search for Shout to the Lord. And we'll right click and click Edit Song. And then we'll go ahead and click the Theme tab, highlight More Themes, scroll on down to Default Video Background, click that, and then you can see it applied it to all the slides. So we'll just go ahead and click OK and bring it on up into our schedule. And to test it and to make sure everything looks good, we'll go ahead and click Go Live. And then we can see it is live, and we can see in the live output, yeah, that looks pretty good, and I'm pretty happy with that. Now, if we wanted to set that to be the default theme for all of our songs, all we'd have to do is hop on over to the Themes tab, right click on that, and click Set as Default Song Theme. And then any song we want to bring in, it will automatically set that, and you can see that in the quick preview right here, or if we send it to go live, you can see that it did that as well. Thanks for joining us today as we looked at how we can edit, set, and create a default theme within Easy Worship. I hope you're enjoying these videos, and you'll keep joining us as we continue to look at the principles of Easy Worship in future videos. God bless.